Welcome back, YouTube. Sorry it's been a while since I've done a video, but I've been in the middle of moving. I figured I'd throw this one in there quick for you. Not sure what kind of temperature it is right now. It's probably 30s, maybe 40s, low 40s or so. It's not freezing cold, but it's cold. And we're going to give this thing a cold start. See how she runs. She hasn't been running in probably a month. See how easy she starts. There she went. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me think you know to my crazy builds. This is Crazy Builder 1 for 1, signing off. Have a good day.